Traveling is exciting. The thrill of discovering new destinations and immersing yourself in different cultures is unparalleled. It's a chance to see new places and experience new things, from historical landmarks to local traditions. But it can also be tough on your body. Different time zones, new foods, and busy schedules can make it easy to get sick. The change in routine can sometimes be overwhelming. That's why it's so important to make healthy choices while you're on the road. Opting for nutritious meals and staying hydrated can make a big difference. Staying healthy will help you feel your best so you can enjoy your trip to the fullest. Incorporating some light exercise like yoga or stretching can keep your energy levels up. When you're healthy, you have more energy. This vitality allows you to explore more and take in all the sights and sounds. This means you can do more sightseeing, walk further, and stay out later, making the most of your adventure. You'll be able to make the most of every moment of your trip. Cherish those sunsets and spontaneous moments. Staying healthy on the road is easier than you think. Preparing your own meals can be both fun and beneficial. By following a few simple tips, you can boost your wellness and enjoy a fantastic trip. Remember to take time for mindfulness and relaxation to keep your mind and body in harmony. When you travel, you lose more water than usual, especially if you're engaging in physical activities or exploring new places. This is especially true if you're flying, hiking, or spending time in hot climates where the sun can be intense. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and constipation, making your travel experience less enjoyable. The good news is that staying hydrated is easy and can significantly improve your travel experience. Make sure to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day, especially when you're on the move. Water is always the best choice, but there are other options too. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and refill it often at hydration stations or water fountains. You can also drink juice, sports drinks, or eat fruits and vegetables that contain water, like watermelon or cucumbers. Avoid sugary drinks like soda and juice, as they can actually make you more dehydrated. These drinks can leave you feeling more tired and less energetic, which is the last thing you want while traveling. It's easy to fall off track with your eating habits when you're on the go. Fast food and restaurant meals are often high in calories, fat, and sodium. Remember to nourish your body with healthy foods. This will help maintain your energy levels and keep your immune system strong. Choose fresh fruits and vegetables whenever possible. Pack healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, and yogurt to avoid unhealthy temptations. Balance is key. Allow yourself to enjoy some local treats, but don't overdo it. Section 4. Staying active on the go-easy exercises for travelers. Traveling often disrupts our regular exercise routines. Long flights, car rides, and busy itineraries can make it challenging to stay active. Remember, staying active doesn't require a gym or hours of your time. Even small amounts of activity can make a big difference. Pack your walking shoes. Exploring a new city on foot is a great way to sightsee and get some exercise. Take the stairs instead of the elevator whenever possible. Remember, every step counts. Section 5. The importance of sleep for travelers. Getting enough sleep is crucial for your physical and mental health. Traveling, especially across time zones, can disrupt our sleep patterns. Make sleep a priority while you're on the go. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. If you're struggling with jet lag, try adjusting to your new time zone gradually. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Consider using earplugs and an eye mask to minimize distractions. Section 6. Common travel wellness mistakes and how to avoid them. Even the most well-prepared travelers can make mistakes. It's easy to overlook small details when you're excited about your journey. Here are some common travel wellness pitfalls and how to avoid them. 1. Skipping meals. Skipping meals can lead to low blood sugar, making you feel tired and sluggish. This can affect your mood and energy levels throughout the day. Always pack snacks and prioritize regular meal times. Carrying healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, or granola bars can help maintain your energy. 2. Overindulging. It's tempting to indulge in local cuisine and treats, but overeating can leave you feeling bloated and sluggish. This can also disrupt your digestive system. Practice moderation and balance your indulgences with healthy choices. Enjoy the local flavors, but also include fruits, vegetables, and plenty of water in your diet. 3. Ignoring your body's signals. Traveling can be tiring. Long flights, time zone changes, and packed itineraries can take a toll on your body. Listen to your body and rest when you need it. Take short breaks, stretch, and ensure you get enough sleep. Don't push yourself too hard, especially if you're feeling unwell. It's important to recognize when you need to slow down and recuperate. 4. Forgetting essentials. Packing for wellness is essential. Missing out on key items can lead to discomfort and health issues. Remember to pack your medications, first aid kit, sunscreen, insect repellent, and any other essentials you might need. These items can make a significant difference in your travel experience. By avoiding these common mistakes and following the tips outlined above, you can stay healthy, feel your best, and enjoy a memorable and fulfilling trip. Taking care of your wellness ensures that you make the most out of your travel adventures.